Hello everyone and welcome for today's session. In last session we were discussing about one of the market OTCEI, over the counter exchange of India. Now today we will discuss about the another very important and national, the countrywide stock exchange of India, that is NSE, National Stock Exchange. The National Stock Exchange was established in the year of 1992 on the recommendation of M.J. Fairvani Committee. The committee was set up by government to look after the proposal of second exchange. Before NSE, there is only one market existed, and that was BSE, Bombay Stock Exchange. Now, the government also wants to establish another national wide stock exchange, and that's why the government has constructed a high level committee. The committee was headed by M.J. Fairvani. The committee, after analyzing all the relevant details, the committee has proposed that there should be an establishment of another nationwide stock exchange. The recommendation was given in June 1991, and then in June 1992 the NSE was set up. Now, what are the reasons why the committee has reported that there is another need of stock exchange where there is already an existent stock exchange? So there are certain reasons for establishment of this exchange. The first reason is inefficient and outdated trading system, which is resulting into non-transparent operation conducted by Bombay Stock Exchange, which has adverse effect on investors' confidence. Before NSE, there was only one exchange, BSE, while due to there is no any competition to BSE, the BSE was running not in a proper way, which is ultimately lead to inefficient trading system. While in many developed countries the trading system has been changed. For example, before establishment of NSE, the trading was taken place through physical system in BSE, which was outdated. Many developed countries has shifted to automated computer based trading system. So such kind of inefficiency is there in market. To remove this inefficiency, there should be some exchange. Further, the operation which is carried out by BSE was non-transparent. There is no transparency in that, and due to this the investors do not have confidence, do not have faith in a market, and gradually the investment in market was decreasing. The other second reason is outdated settlement system, which ultimately which is unable to fulfill the growing volume of business, and this will lead to delay in settlement and liquidity in market. NSE has proposed the settlement within T plus 2 days. T plus 2 days. It means the shares will be delivered to buyer after the transaction day plus 2 days. It means if a person has purchased security on Monday, so Monday is considered as trading day, T day plus 2 days. It means the person will get the security in his account on Wednesday evening after the completion of trading day. But before NSE, introduction of NSE, the time followed by the BSE, before introduction of BSE, the time period followed for this settlement is T plus 15 days. So due to this, the settlement gets delayed and liquidities is very less in market. The another reason is there is, as discussed earlier in previous sessions, there was 21 regional stock exchange. So all these regional stock exchange and BSE are not able to work together, because in terms of legal structure, that is rules and regulation are different in different exchange, the regulatory framework is not that, the trading and settlement procedures etc are different in different exchange. So if one person is buying from one market and want to sell in another market, has to follow two rules of both the market, and both the rules are different, quite different. The jobbing, that is the short term trading, daily trading and spreads. So rules and regulation procedure regarding all these major aspects are different in different market. There should be a single system all over the market, all throughout the country, and hence there was a need to establish a nationwide another market. The next reason to develop NSE is inability to develop a debt market. The BSE, the previous all the exchanges were majorly focusing on equity segments, while those companies want to raise debt, want to trade their debt instrument, was unable to do so, as the debt market was not so much of developed, and hence there is a requirement. So by considering all these aspects, in November 1992, the committee has recommended in 1991, and now from November 1992 the NSE, National Stock Exchange, has started its operation. In establishment of NSE, there was an starting capital of 25 crore, and this market is been promoted by IDBI, Industrial Development Bank of India, ICICI, LIC, GIC, LIC Life Insurance Corporation, GIC General Insurance Corporation, ICICI Industrial Credit and Investment Corporation of India, and other subsidiaries of GIC General Insurance Corporation, SBI and SBI Capital Market Limited. All this institute has established the National Stock Exchange. The major objectives behind establishment is to establish a nationwide trading facility for equity, debt and hybrids. The preference shares are called as hybrid securities. So the main objective of NSE is to promote the trading of not only equity but preference and debt also, to facilitate equal access to investors across the country from wherever, any part of India. If any investors want to buy or sell securities, they'll have equal price, equal access to all the rules and regulation. So uniformity of rules and regulation and everything want to establish, to provide fairness, efficiency and transparency in security trading, to enable the shorter settlement cycle. As discussed in previous slide, the BSE was following T plus 1 month and then reduced to T plus 15 days cycle of settlement, and the aim of NSE is to reduce this cycle, and they have achieved by reducing it to firstly T plus 7 days, then T plus 5, and further they have reduced to T plus 2 days. And to meet the international security market standard, in international market, with global to cope up with the global security exchange, the NSE want to establish such a standard which can cope up with the changing need of global market. So for all these objectives, the NSE was established. So that is all about today's session. Have a nice day. Goodbye.